Now students, we will discuss about what is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. The acceleration produced in a body due to the gravitational pull of the earth near the surface is called the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. The gravitational force acting on a body of mass m on the surface or near the surface of the earth is given by the relation F equal to g into small m into capital M by r small m into capital M suffix e by r square. Small m is the mass of the body, capital M suffix e is the mass of the earth, and r suffix e is the radius of the earth. If g is the acceleration produced in a body of mass m, then we can write that F equal to m into g. Equating these two equation, we can write that mg equal to g into m suffix e by r square. This relation, cancelling m in both sides, we can write that g equal to small g equal to our gravitation or acceleration due to gravity equal to g into m suffix e by r square. From equation 5.7 we see that acceleration produced in a body due to the earth does not depend upon its mass. So acceleration due to gravity does not depend upon the mass of the object. The acceleration due to gravity of the earth does not depend upon the mass. We have already discussed about it on the falling body. That means it is irrespective of the mass of the body. What is the value of g? Using this relation we can say that the value of g equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Mass of the earth equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Re equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Putting this value in this equation, we can calculate that the value of g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Thus the value of the acceleration due to gravity of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, what is the acceleration due to gravity of the moon? The acceleration produced in a body due to the gravitational pull of the moon is called the acceleration due to gravity of the moon. Okay, the gravitational force acting on a body of mass m, we can write that F equal to g into mass of the object and mass of moon by r square, where r is the radius of the moon. Okay, and again we know that F equal to m into g of moon. Equating these two, we can write that g of moon equals to small g of moon equals to capital G into small m into a mass of moon by radius of moon square, or g of moon equal to this one, cancelling this. Okay, this is the value, this is the gravity of the moon. We can calculate that. Okay, what is the value of gravity on the moon? We know that mass of the moon equal to 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Radius of the moon equal to 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Putting this value in this equation, we can write that g equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter square Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Into this value we can find the value of gravity of moon equal to 1.63 Newton per meter second square. So we can now compare the value of the acceleration due to gravity of moon with the earth. Here the gravity of earth or the gravitational force of earth equal to 9.8 Newton per meter square, where moon equal to 1.63 meter per second square. G moon by Z, therefore G moon by Z earth equal to 1.63 meter per second square by 9.8 meter per second square equal to 1.6 times. So we have already told that the acceleration due to gravitation of moon is 1/6 times that of the earth. Okay, how do small g and capital G differ from each other? It is very easy. Small g is variable, but capital letter G or universal gravitational force is not variable. It has a constant value, but small g or acceleration due to gravity has not a specific value. So all of you memorize this difference between small g and capital G. Now the next point is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface of earth is constant. The acceleration due to gravity, we know that G equal to small g equal to capital G into me by r square. The earth is not perfect sphere. This is the pole, this is the equator. Okay, and this is the radius of pole from the center of the earth, and this is the equator distance. That's why earth is not a perfect square, so its radius is also not same in everywhere. The radius of the earth along the equator is about 10.5 kilometers. So the distance between the center of the earth to the equator is near about 10.5 kilometer longer than in the polar direction. Therefore the value of G on the earth is maximum at the poles, because this time this value will be larger in case of equator, so G value will be minimum for the equator, and in case of poles that will be maximum. Okay, so the value of G at this area at this sea level at 45 degree latitude is taken as the reference value, because due to not having the equal shape of the earth, we can assume a fixed value at 45 degree latitude and at the sea level. Okay, so we can told that the value of G is not on the surface of the earth is not same in all the space.